Let's see how to activate collision notifications. Here we have preset notifications. Let's say we want to add a new one. Let's select if we want a notification about the sensor. On an incomplete checklist. On a vehicle blocked by a checklist. Receive checklist from the user. Receive checklist from the service. Notification in reverse. Or checklist received of any kind. What does it mean? The sensor, then an internal sensor. We are talking about internal sensors, the ETS. Not completed checklist, specifically when the checklists are not completed. Vehicle blocked by a checklist. Receive checklist from the user, so every time the checklist is not completed, or the vehicle is blocked. Or every time we receive a checklist. Or when a service type checklist arrives, or the notification, this is also a notification that is sent directly from the operator. Or any receipt checklist, of any kind. Let's set sensor. Vehicle, so let's select our vehicle. The sensor, we set acceleration in G. Let's put the threshold, let's say 3G. The timer value in this case does not interest us, because it is instantaneous, the collision is instantaneous. So we can leave it like this. And then we can determine when we are interested in knowing the collision warning. Then key inserted, and function, off or no power supply. Or, if I know that the part of loading of the vehicles is in a safe place, I can also avoid putting it. We do not update on the device. And we decide if we want the notification active or inactive. Let's say, for example, inactive, in the case the vehicle is stopped for maintenance. In this case we set active. It generates a web alarm, that is, only an alarm on the part of the cloud, or I send an email. We go to insert our email, we go to save. We have just generated our notification. Every time there will be any crash over 3G, having generated the notification, this email will arrive to the indicated emails. Of course, we can also put more emails, divided by the semicolon.